This video is sponsored by InstaHub. Yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here and welcome back at a very fresh new episode of Tech Paradise. And everyone wants his or her phone to look the best. And today I have something very cool for you guys. Well, this time we don't have any ordinary mobile wrap or skin. So let's know more about this insane tech. That how to get these skins, their price, their quality, and lastly the giveaway. So guys, without wasting any time, let's go for it. It's running. So guys, before we get started, I have something very cool for you guys. There is an application named InstaHub by which you can schedule your post, keep tracking your Instagram analytics, and also it allows you to schedule Instagram story, mass follow, mass unfollow, Instagram story download, grid post, IGTV videos download, and many more features. Trust me, this application is amazing. The downloading link of this application is given below in the description, and guys, do check out. Well, there is a company named Rapcart who sent me these amazing skins as gift, and when I opened the package I was surprised with the skin I got, because this is that kind of skin which looks like real wooden, concrete and marble. No one will believe that these textures are made upon a very thin paper just like your copy's page. They sent me 3 skins. The first one is wooden, the second one is concrete, and the third one is marble. Well, today we are gonna basically talk about the most premium skin, which is one of my favorite, and I am using this wooden skin from the last month. These skins are available for each and every smartphones like Xiaomi, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Nokia, Motorola, Honor, every models of these companies and many more. These skins will wrap your phones from all the part, and they have wooden texture too, which you will feel when you will hold the phone in your hand. It looks like a wooden phone, and this will enhance your any old model phone for just Rs 300. Currently, there is an offer on Rapcart by which you can get discount up to 25% by using my code, that is TECH25. For ordering any skin, just go to their website. The link of their website is given below in the description, and also you can order from their Instagram page. Their Instagram handle is also given below in the description. Just go follow and check out their page. And the best thing is that you can also get a custom skins of your choice too using the Rapcart service. And I'm really impressed with the skin quality and the texture. It's very easy to apply these skins on your phone. And also they give you a camera cover. It will change your phone's look completely, and you can also use transparent back cover for more protection easily with these skins too. Well, there are thousands of amazing designs available on their Instagram and on their website. Just go and check out. Thanks to Rapcart team for these amazing skins, and use our code TECH25 for discount up to 25%. I also like the concrete and the white marble. They also look very premium. I'll change my phone skin to white marble next month. And guys, also you can participate in the skins giveaway. We are giving away 3 skins to 3 lucky winners. The participation link and other giveaway details are given below in the description. So I hope you all enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, this was a very short video because I am damn sure that now you all are aware that how you can enhance your phone's look completely by just paying less than 300 rupees. And guys, do follow Rapcart and Tech Paradise on Instagram. Our Instagram handles is given below in the description, and do participate in the giveaway and also download InstaHub from the link given below in the description. And if you have any question in your mind regarding the video, please ask me in the comment section. And if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyansh and I'll catch you in the next one.